Hey, I'm Larry with Basic Man 101, and today I'm going to do my EDC pocket dump. Let's get started. So today when I'm talking about my EDC, I'm talking about the items I keep on my body. I do have my work bag that has items, my get home bag, hiking packs, things like that. But today I'm just talking about the things that I have in my pockets. All right, let's get started. So first we got my pocket knife. This is the Swiss Tech I got from Walmart. It's like $20, $25. I don't buy expensive knives because, you lose them, or you go to a place where you can't have them and they, confiscate them, or you got to throw it away. So a pocket knife is good for, all the reasons. I use this all the time. I'm always opening something. Somebody needs something cut, whatever. Pocket knife. Next, we will have my flashlight. Now, I don't use this one every day. I do keep it on me every day, but I use another one, which I'll talk about later. This is pretty bright, high lumens. This is when, I need to see something that's far away or light up a big area, or maybe for defensive measures. And this is by Eagle Tech. Next we got is a coin. I guess people call it a challenge coin. It's just fun to have. If you're ever in a situation where you need to do heads or tails, well, I got that in my pocket. It also has a kind of a cool little message. It says, "The strongest steel is forged in the fire of a dumpster fire." So, a coin. Next, my back pocket, I have my wallet. Took my ID out. So this is a hard case wallet. I used to carry like a leather wallet, but the problem with that is like the corners will start to bend and it will bend your card or break them. So having a good, nice, solid wallet, for me, it's good to have. Then in the same back pocket, I carry my Leatherman. This is the Leatherman Blast. I've had this for probably 10 years. I like fixing things. I'm a pretty handy guy, so I use this a lot. It has pliers, your scissors, your knives, your saws, screwdrivers, everything that you would need for some simple fix. So a Leatherman. Then I have my earbuds. So these are Alexa earbuds. So they have the AI assistant in them. If you know me, you see I'll have these in my ears all the time. I'm always listening to music, watching YouTube videos, watching other things like TikTok or whatever, making calls. One of the other good things about this, it's hands-free. So if you're ever in an emergency situation, you could, call 911, be hands-free, deal with what you need to do while you're talking to the 911 operator. So earbuds, good to have. Next we have is palm spray. So this is like your pepper spray. People are crazy out there. People like to fight. There's road rage. You just want to stay out of that mess. So if people are in your area being threatening, don't try to fight them. Hit them with some pepper spray, get that distance, and get the heck out of there so you can call the cops and let them know what's going on. So this is a must-have. And I'm gonna be honest, I used to never carry this. I thought it was gonna be too big to keep in my pockets. I had other things in there, but I always carried a firearm. Now that I think about it, it's like, this is the item that I would want to grab first if I'm leaving the house, not your firearm. So get one of these, carry it. Next, we could talk about my watch. So this is the Samsung smartwatch. Does all the watch things. What I like about it is, if I'm in a meeting or something and, somebody calls or sends a text, I could see it. I also use it for like an alarm, so it shakes or vibrates, and I don't have to set like a sound alarm and wake up my wife. Then I have just a regular pen, You know, it's good for when you're at a restaurant and you gotta, you know, sign your name to a receipt or whatever. So just a pen. It seems like nobody has one of these, so pen. And then we got my keys. So this is the flashlight that I use all the time. I made a video about this. You can check it out. This is the Olight Mini 2. So, you know, it's not very high lumens, but it's enough to do like your everyday tasks. It's very simple. When you turn it on, you just pull it out. It has a great magnet, holds it in. It has never fallen out. So a good light. So then, of course, my phone that I'm recording on, it's a Samsung S24, and I keep that in my back left pocket. So then on my right wrist, I carry this. This bead here, it's made to break windows, so like your car windows. I've never done it personally, but there's tons of videos on YouTube where they're using this. And I just added these other two beads just to add a little color to it. Then last, I have my Glock 43X. I keep it in a Kydex holster that I bought from Amazon. It's like your $20 or $30 holster. I've had this for probably 5 or 6 years, and it's held up really good. And then for the rounds I use, it is your hollow point defensive rounds. So that's my ADC. If you see something that might be missing or I need to change out, let me know. Tell me in the comments. I would like to carry a tourniquet, but your typical cat tourniquet is a little too big for me. And I do have a medical kit in my car. I have one in my work bag, my everyday carry bag. And so I do carry that, and it's close by, but it would be nice to have one in my pockets or something. So that's all I have today. Until next time. See you.